Mangroves and coral reefs. Mangroves are vascular plants that have large roots that burrow inside soft substrate bottoms like mud or sand. These plants are able to survive against very harsh conditions like high salt, extremely muddy areas, and hot elevated temperatures. Mangroves are usually in estuarine ecosystems, which is where fresh water and salt water meet. One adaptation of a mangrove are its aerial projecting roots. Some of its roots are above the water, which help the plant breathe through its small pores. Mangroves support ecosystems such as coral reefs and seagrasses. Seagrass beds tend to grow in the area between the mangrove and the coral reef. Before reaching the coral reef, there's a smaller patch reef and a shallow reef. One major ecosystem function of a mangrove is that it is a nursery ground for fish. Fish start as small guppies in seagrass beds near the mangrove. From here, they migrate over to the mangroves and grow larger. Once they are able to properly find their own food and need more space, they migrate over to the patch reef. From this patch reef, they continue to grow, so they migrate over to the shallow reef. When they have reached the adult fish stage, they finally migrate over to the coral reef to live permanently. Here, many different species of fish are supported because of their ability to nurse in the mangroves and support themselves before going out into the open seawater.